Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we will learn how to auto save in Excel. Okay, first let's begin. First of all, you have to open your Excel sheet like this. You can clearly see there is Excel sheet that is open here, and you can find some data are entered here also. So after your Excel file is open, go to file here. You can see in the top left corner files. Okay, here then you will get several options. Then go to more. Here it is not visible, so go to more. Then you will get two options, feedback and options. Click on options. Then a pop-up window will pop up on the screen. Then go to here. You can find many options: general, formula, data, proofing, save, language, accessibility, advanced, customizable, quick access bar, add-ins, true center. So in these options, go to save. Okay, click on save. Then you can find here save auto recovery information over 1 minute. This box is ticked. If it is not ticked, you have to tick here. Okay, suppose in your Excel sheet, that is, if the box is blank, then you have to tick here, and you can set that minutes. After 1 minute it will be auto saved. You can find in your Excel sheet that might be 10 minutes or something like that, but if that is there, bring it to 1 minute or accordingly whatever you want to do. So I have kept it to 1 minute. After every 1 minute it will be auto save. So this way you can customize your auto save option in Excel sheet. Then keep the auto save auto recover version. If I close without saving, that the auto recover file location will be here. It will be auto recovered file. The file will be located in this. The file will be located here. Users app data roaming Microsoft Excel. Here you can find this file. Okay, after doing everything, after doing all the customization, then go to OK, click here OK, then it is done. Okay, now save it, and you can close the Excel sheet. Every time and whenever you enter data, or if you forget to save, it will auto save after every 1 minute. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.